Hello and welcome to my channel where we explore the latest trends in AI, blockchain, and financial services. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking technology that could fundamentally change how we shop and transact online. It is Google's Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. You probably have um, heard the buzz about AI agents that can book. Um, okay, let's start over. Hello and welcome to my channel where we explore the latest trends in AI, blockchain, and financial services. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking technology that could fundamentally change how we shop and transact online. It is Google's Agent Payments Protocol, or AP2. We have probably heard about the buzz about AI agents that could book your appointments, plan your trips, and even negotiate deals in your behalf. But now, how do these agents actually pay for things? How we can trust them with your financial information? That's where AP2 comes in. Google is calling it the HTTPS moment for AI commerce. And in this video, we'll break down exactly what that means. We will cover what AP2 is, the problems that it solves, and how it works under the hood, and its real-world applications in the retail payments industry. We'll even look at some code examples to see how this technology is being implemented. So if you are interested in the future of AI and finance, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So what exactly is AP2? At its core, the Agent Payments Protocol is an open source standard designed to let AI assistants securely pay for goods and services. Think of it as a universal language that allows different AI agents, merchants, and payment systems to communicate and transact with each other seamlessly. It was developed by Google in collaboration with a massive list of industry leaders. We are talking about over 60 organizations, including giants like MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, and even major players in the crypto space like Coinbase and Ethereum Foundation. This broad collaboration is key because it ensures that AP2 is built to be interoperable and widely adopted. AP2 is also an extension of two other important protocols: the agent-to-agent, also known as A2A protocol, which facilitates communication between AI agents, and the Model Context Protocol, which is also known as MCP, which helps agents understand the context of a user's request. Together, these protocols create a robust framework for AI-driven commerce. Now, let's see which is the problem that AP2 solves. Why do we even need like a new protocol? You might be asking. The payment system that we use today were built with a fundamental assumption that a human is always in the other side of the screen, clicking in the buy button. When you enter your credit card, details and approve a payment, the system trusts that it is you. But if with the rise of autonomous AI agents, that assumption is no longer valid. How can a merchant be sure that an AI agent has the authority to make a purchase in your behalf? How can you be sure that the agent is buying exactly what you ask it for at the right price? And if something goes wrong, if a fraudulent is incorrect transaction occurs, who is accountable? These are the critical questions that AP2 is designed to answer. It addresses three key challenges: authorization, providing that a user gave an agent a specific authority to make particular purchase; authenticity, enabling a merchant to be sure that an agent's request accurately reflects the user's true intent; and accountability, determining who is responsible if a fraudulent or incorrect transaction occurs. By solving these problems, AP2 aims to build the trust necessary for AI-driven commerce to flourish. So, how does AP2 actually build this trust? The magic lies in a few core concepts, starting with mandates. You can think of a mandate as a tamper-proof cryptographically signed digital contract. It serves as a verifiable proof of users' instructions to their AI agent. These mandates are signed using verifiable credentials, or VCs, which are like digital ID cards that prove the identity of and authority of the user, the agent, and the merchant. This combination of mandates and VCs creates a fundamental or a foundation layer for trust for every transaction. This process generates a non-repudiable audit trail, an unbreakable chain of evidence that links the user's initial intent to the final payment. This audit trail is crucial for accountability because it provides a clear record who is authorized what and when. Finally, AP2 is a payment agnostic framework, which means it's not tied to any single payment method. It can handle everything from traditional credit cards and bank transfers to modern stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, making it incredible, flexible, and future-proof. Let's walk through a typical transaction to see how these concepts come together. The AP2 flow is built around three key mandates. First, the intent mandate. This is created when you first give your agent a task. For example, you might say, "Find me a new pair of white running shoes." The intent mandate captures this initial request and provides the auditable context for the entire interaction. The cart mandate is the second one. After your agent finds the shoes you want and you approve the purchase, a cart mandate is created. This is a critical step because it creates a secure, unchangeable record of the exact items, the price, and the merchant. It ensures that what you see is what you pay for. And the third is the payment mandate. This is the final piece of the puzzle. The payment mandate links your chosen payment method to the verified contents of the cart mandate. Once you sign this mandate, the agent has the authority to complete the purchase. This three-step process, from intent to cart to payment, creates that non-repudiable audit trail we talked about before. It provides a clear and verifiable record of the entire transaction, which is essential for building trust between users, agents, and merchants. Now let's jump into some use cases in retail payments. So now that we understand the technology, let's talk about the exciting part. How AP2 is set to revolutionize the retail payments industry. The possibilities are vast, but here are a few key use cases that are already emerging. First, we have smarter shopping. Imagine that you want a specific item, like a winter jacket in a particular color, but it's currently out of stock. With AP2, you can instruct your AI agent to monitor prices and availability and automatically make the purchase the moment it becomes available, even if the price is slightly higher. For retailers, this is a game changer because it allows them to capture high intent sales that would have otherwise been lost. Next, there is the personalized offers. Your agent can communicate your preferences and upcoming plans to the merchant's agent. For example, if you are planning to a cycling trip, your agent could negotiate a custom bundle offer for a new bike, helmet, travel rack at a discount. This transforms a simple query into a more valuable and personalized sale. And finally, we have coordinated tasks. This is where things get really interesting. You could tell your agent to book a round trip flight and a hotel for a weekend trip with a total budget of 700. The agent then can interact with multiple airline and hotel agents simultaneously to find the best combination that fits your budget and execute both cryptographically signed bookings at the same time. This level of coordination is simply not possible with today's manual booking process. Now let's look into the technical implementation. Let's get a bit more a deeper look into how AP2 was implemented. The protocol is built on a modular architecture with several key components working together. At the heart of the system are the mandates and verifiable credentials we discussed earlier. These are the cryptographic building blocks that ensure security and trust. The entire system is integrated with an agent-to-agent protocol, which allows different AI agents to communicate with each other in a standardized way. The code itself is structured around Python SDK that includes an Agent Development Kit, or ADK. This makes it easier for developers to build their own agents and integrate them into AP2 ecosystems. The architecture is designed to be modular, with specialized agents for different tasks such as shopping, payment processing, and credential management. AP2 is also designed to be highly extensible, with clear integration points for payment processors, merchant systems, and wallet providers. This is crucial for ensuring that the protocol can be adopted by a wide range of players in the payments industry. And on the security front, AP2 is built from the ground up with features like non-repudiation, tamper-proof mandate claims, and support for OTP challenges to provide multiple layers of verification. Now let's look into the feature, how things will be going on this AP2 protocol. The protocol is still in its early days, but the feature looks incredible, promising. One of the most exciting areas of development is the integration with Web3 and cryptocurrencies. The A2A X402 extension, developed in collaboration with Coinbase, Ethereum Foundation, and MetaMask, is a production-ready solution for agent-based crypto payments. This is a huge step forward in bridging the gap between traditional financial system and the emerging worlds of decentralized finance. The partner ecosystem is also growing rapidly, with over 60 organizations already on board. AP2 is well on its way to become a true industry standard. This broad support is essential for ensuring interoperability and driving adoption across the entire payments landscape. In the retail sector, AP2 has the potential to truly be transformative. It will enable a new generation of AI-driven commerce, from autonomous shopping experiences to hyper-personalized offers and complex multi-merchant transactions. This will fundamentally change how customers interact with brands and create new opportunities for retailers to drive sales and build customer loyalty. The future roadmap AP2 is focused on continued collaboration and open development. The protocol will evolve through standards bodies with a focus on areas like seamless agent authorization, decentralized identity, and support for even more payment methods. The goal is to create a truly universal proof of protocol for AI-driven commerce. In conclusion, Google's agent payments protocol is a major step forward in building the trust and security needed for AI-driven commerce to thrive. By solving the critical challenges of authorization, authenticity, and accountability, AP2 is paving the way for the future where AI agents can securely and seamlessly transact on our behalf. From its use of mandates and verifiable credentials to its payment agnostic framework and growing industry support, AP2 has all the makings of a true industry standard. It's no exaggeration to say that this could be the HTTPS moment for AI commerce. If you are interested in learning more or get involved, I highly recommend checking out the official resources. The GitHub repository has a complete technical specification, reference implementations, and detailed documentation. You can also find more information on Google's Cloud blog and the official AP2 protocol website. So, what are your thoughts on AP2? Do you think it's a feature of online payments? Let me know in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI, blockchain, and financial services. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.